Welcome back po dito sa Buhay Canada. I'll just talk to them, okay?
Can you turn that on?
Buhay natin sa Winnipeg, Manitoba. So makitrip at makitravel dito sa amin sa Buhay Canada. So right here, Garbage Mountain. Pinalik ng pa. Turning over. Happy birthday, dear Rizzy. Come, Aya. Happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Cha-cha-cha. Happy birthday to you. Cha-cha-cha. Happy birthday, dear Rizzy. Happy birthday to you. Cha-cha-cha. Wish and then blow the cake. Yay!
Happy birthday, Rizzy.
Mommy have gift for you and read from you. To Rizzy from Mommy, Daddy, and Joya.
Wait, what is this? Wait, can I open it? It's a seesaw.
Birthday, Arya. Cha cha cha.
Si Arya.
Happy birthday, Arya. Ano? Uy! No more.
Morning. So, dito kami sa Canada Inn sa may North Dakota. We are celebrating Rizzy's 7th birthday. Ayan.
No.
What do you got?
Look, open it, open.
What do you got?
What is that?
What is that?
It reminds me of a towel.
Ooh, towel. Is it a towel or
Blanket.
blanket? Ano yan? Si Pompo rin? Kala ko si Pikachu eh.
That is all yellow.
What's that?
It's a backpack. It's a purse.
You like it?
Yes. Thank you, Mommy. Thank you, Daddy. Thank you, Ate Cassie.
Arya.
It's like my wallet.
Wala masyadong ano rito oh. Wala masyadong mga sasakyan ngayon. This is the weekdays. It's Monday. And wala masyadong mga sasakyan. Yun. Dito kami sa may Grand Forks sa may Canada Inn. At ngayong araw na to, pagbibigyan natin si Aisha. Kasi may gusto siyang puntahan. Pupunta siya sa ano yun? Ross.
I'm so excited.
Pakita mo ano yung itsura ng US.
Ayan ba yung Kasi dad, wala namang speed school. When?
Wala, may school zone pa rin.
School zone pa rin.
Hindi naman nakalagay na ano eh. Wala nakalagay doon sa ano nila na June to September lang eh. Look at the other school oh, look.
Kasi ito yung school nila, oh. So, same ano.
There's no fence.
There's no what?
There's no fence.
Pero yung school limit, yung ano nila, school zone nila still applies eh.
Oo.
Hindi ka tulad sa Canada, di ba? Hanggang ano lang, July.
Mommy, this
Suma pa rin ang pakiramdam ko.
Mommy, how much minutes we going down? Mom.
Ako, Arya, and then let's go because time is running and I don't want to waste any time.
Nag-internalize po, no? Ayan, no? So, that's the Ross. Come on, let's go, Arya.
Huwag na. Magka-cart na lang si Arya. Alin ka na. Halika na, Arya.
Excited na. Come on, girls. And so, susubukan namin dito yung Ross. Kasi nga, sabi nila, mga mura daw yung damit dyan. And we'll see gano'ng kamura yung mga damit. Tawag kaya ata ni Mami ate.
We need to go for Arya's pajama.
You going to look for Arya's pajama? Ate Rizzy, you wait for ate.
Okay, I'm just going to get some pajamas because mommy forgot.
Yeah? Uy, akin na. Ikaw na pala magdala niyan. Ikaw magdala. Laki ng bag ah. Laki ng bag mo te ah. Ate. Ate, para ka nagdivisory ah.
Oo, ito na yung susuotin nila sa next month adventure natin.
Ayan na ba yun?
Oo, ito
Ano to? Bumili ka ng dress rehearsal?
na yung shopping ko, ito na yung rubber shoes nila. Oo.
Grabe. O ngayon, kasi, halika. Oh, ate kasi. Watch out. Come on. Ate kasi, how much?
It was $310 and 25 cents.
Inubo ko bigla.
Dala ba ako ng mac and cheese sa inyo?
3.
Yeah.
Naka $310 and 25 cents ka USD. Ha?
Why you tell him?
Ang sabi mo, pambira. Come on. Nag-over the limit kaya ata ate.
Can you give me my muffin?
Ha? Nag-over the limit ka. Nag-over the limit ka.
Ang nagpamahal kasi yung ano mo, yung trimmer mo.
Magkano? Uy, magkano lang yun? $10. Yun ang nagpamahal?
Hindi naman, sa mga bata naman yun, babe. Ilan ang damit ko doon? 4 lang.
Okay, fine. Let's
Mga
go.
bata yun, lalo na si Arya.
Do you agree ate kasi?
Tanong mo, shoes nila. Yung shoes nila,
shoes
bumila
were so
akong 3
expensive.
Skechers.
It was like the sketches were like $15.
Oh.
Okay, let's go. Saan na tayo?
Bumili ako ng mga shoes
We're gonna go
nila.
back so we can swim
Let's go.
Ayaw niya na mag-Walmart.
Bukas na lang.
tomorrow.
Okay, good.
So we can swim.
Yeah.
Bless you, you got what you want.
Then we will just buy pizza there.
Yeah.
Kaso wala yung masyadong mga MK. Ikaw lang nabila ko ng MK.
That's fine.
Buti nga may isang damit doon, inalis ko eh. Ano to? Sabi ni Chrissy, Mami, di ba meron pa ng damit?
Para daw makapag-swimming na yung mga kids.
So
And
already
then,
1 o'clock. The swimming pool closes at like 9 or 10.
yeah. And then after nyan, siguro bukas na tayo mag-Walmart.
Sige,
Para ano?
After we're done swimming.
Yeah.
napapauwi na tayo.
Magpauwi na. Okay guys, so we have number 30. So I have Cassie here. Cassie. So we're waiting for our food. Ano bang in-order ni Mami? Huy!
Yeah.
Ano in-order ni Mami?
Mommy ordered 2 large cheese pizza.
Meron bang chicken? No? No chicken? Are you sure?
There's no chicken. Mommy tried to look for it.
No?
I was gonna order pepperoni.
Pepperoni lang?
I don't know.
Yan. So ito yung magiging birthday celebration na lang namin. Ito yung kakainin namin for dinner. So we have ano na lang, pizza at saka chicken. So nag-order siya dito sa may Garboso dito sa may banda. Sa hotel na lang din para hindi na kami lalabas.
Happy birthday to me!
Chicken.
I think I'm good.
This is my
So happy birthday to baby Reese.
Ano ba nito?
Yeah, sige.
Mommy, can I take my...
Seventh birthday niya na. And what can you say about your birthday, Ate Reese?
It was a wonderful day.
Uy, dito ka. What can you say about your birthday?
It was good.
Walang sauce, walang ano.
It was,
you say about your birthday?
it was good and it was a incredible day.
Sleepy na si Reese. So, ayan lang yung birthday celebration niya. We have ayan, pizza. Tapos, merong cake. And then, we have some nachos. Simple lang. Simpleng birthday lang to para sa kanya ngayon. And I think that's all good for her. At kanina pa siya pagod na pagod sa swimming pool.
Mine.
Diba? Oh no, it's the same thing.
Sorry, Ate Cassie. Sorry.
Order mo ba na yung wings?
Hindi na, okay na ako.
Cassie, what are you doing?
Oo, mamaya na. May tatanungin ako sa yung malupit.
Ano?
Kamusta yung stay mo rito sa ano?
Masaya.
That was yours and this is mine.
Ha?
Rasto.
Ganun talaga. Meron kasi, di ba? Ano?
To sit down.
Magkano nagastos mo doon? Okay, so kakain muna kami. Yan. Happy birthday, Rizzy. Happy birthday, Rizzy.
Okay, guys, today is my 7th birthday. Today, we're going to actually water spa.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Go, go. Go to practice.